Welcome to Homesteading the Pioneer Way. Well, we got an ice storm, and as you can see, even the pins, it's come off of the tarp into the pins. Hey boys, are y'all doing okay? Are y'all froze? Are y'all froze? There's the other big boys in the other pen over there, and their pin's the same way. Woo! Okay, this duck and chicken pen, I had to take a hammer this morning and hammer and hammer and hammer like never got in there. And there, I had to take the hammer, and it was about 3 inches thick of ice on their waterers. And I put hay in here, and I put shavings. They've got 3 containers up there with shavings in it, and down here at the bottom I've got 2 big containers with hay and shavings. And then they've got a shelter over there with hay and shavings, and then I've got, let's see if I can get in. It's almost froze back. I got 1 duck egg this morning, and I see a chicken egg. Let me get that before it freezes. Oh, yeah. Oh gosh, it's cold. See, I've got these pins. Have y'all still got water? Yeah. Hey, are you fixing to give me some eggs? Huh? Are you fixing to give me an egg? Let me see, we got some more eggs in here. Let me see. These ducks just lay the eggs anywhere and everywhere. Yeah, here's another egg. That's a second duck egg. And a chicken egg I've got this morning. I've got 4 ducks. Let me see. I got 1 chicken in here. And I think 3 or 4, 1, 2, I think 4 female ducks and a chicken in here. She was the only chicken that survived from like a dozen chickens. She's the last one. They kept something getting them or just dying. I don't know. But anyway, she was the last one, and I bought a bunch more this spring. And they're in the front yard. They're not big enough to be put with her. Yeah. I got 3 roosters. I just give 1 away because I had bought some, I thought I was getting a bunch of hens. And 4 of them turned out to be roosters. And 3 of the roosters, I have hens to mate with them. But ice on the steps. Ice everywhere. Oh, I'll go around here and check on the girls. It got so muddy and so icy, I've had to put tin around. It's Snuffy Smith, I know, but it's best I could do, and it's still, as you can see, ice in them. And I put pallets up all over to keep them off the mud when it thaws. Hey, girls. Mama's just checking on y'all. I figured everybody'd be in a shelter. I've got shelters everywhere. And I got this one. And this one, the top fell, so I just... And there's the hay feeder. One of them's in the hay feeder. And there's the shelter. And there's the hay feeder, and there's a shelter there. And there's a big shelter there. There's the hay barn. And then there's the big barn that I was working on, didn't get finished. I just put tin across all the little 11, 12 stalls. But this is what we've got, and this is the... Oh! My phone flipped over. This is the milking parlor, and it looks like the can has fell down. Oh well, I'm not going to fool with it now. That can is like ice. So that's what's going on in the homestead. We've had an ice storm, and it is cold. And I have to keep coming out and breaking the ice for them to have water. Yes. Our street is froze till we can't go up and down the street. So everybody's off work today. This is the 15th of February. Everybody's off work, trying to get their cars running. But we can't go anywhere because we're on a hill. Anyway. Whew. Hey. Oh! No, no. Shadow, it's too cold. Mama's not going to play today. No. Mama's not going to play today. It's too cold. No, Shadow. No. You are warm. How come you're so warm? Hey. Mama can't play. I got to get in the house. It's too cold. It's too cold. Mama get in the house. Okay. Here's the chickens that I've got them right outside the door. I got 4 in here. They're about 4 months old. Got tarps all around them. They're not all that thick tarps, but this one is a regular tarp. It's thick. This is a little tarp that's real thin, but still it'll break the wind. I got one here and one here. We got 4 chickens in there. And there, it's about time they start laying, but I doubt if they will since it's so cold. Anyway, that's what's going on at Homestead today. This is homesteading the Pioneer Way, saying keep homesteading.